Welcome back one more time to my dance channel. My name is Gali, but you can call me Gali. Have you ever felt that even though you already know the salsa basics, that you have taken so many classes, you still don't feel or you're lacking this salsa groove, this flavor? Do you feel that your body movement or your arms movement are kind of weird, or you don't understand the movements on the arms that goes with the torso? Well, watch this video till the end so you can get this salsa groove on, okay? Remember, this is just the explanation of the exercises so you can practice by yourself. You can also go to another video that I have where I do a follow along routine so you can practice every day, or maybe like a warm-up before you dance, so you can start to gain mobility and you feel the difference when you're dancing. You can repeat this video as many times as you need. The many times you do, the better the results, so practice and master, okay? So if you're ready to learn, let's get started. And before we go, I want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel. We're gonna keep dancing, we're gonna do salsa lessons, I'm gonna give you tips and more about dance. So if you like to dance and you're gonna improve your dance skills, please give me a thumbs up, give me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, let's start with the torso, okay? The torso is sometimes it's really hard to understand the movement and to improve the movement. So you need to take more time to do it so you can improve and gain mobility. Not only in the torso, in the hips and everything we're gonna do today. So remember to repeat the video. So relax your torso. First of all, you're gonna go with your whole weight to the front. Don't stay in the heels, okay? I also have another video where you can go to see the yes and the no's for the salsa, okay? Where I explain this longer, okay? So go with your weight to the front, bend your knees and relax your hips. Don't keep them like this, okay? Relax them, relax your butt. And now you're gonna move your torso side to side. How we're gonna do this? It's from the ribs. Try to not go up, okay? Side to side, side to side. We're gonna move from here like if someone were pushing you, okay? From here, and you're gonna move the whole thing. Side to side, side to side, okay? Now the arms, we're gonna move them with the torso. For now, just grab your ribs and go with the torso. Don't go to the opposite side. Side to side, grab your ribs, so your torso and your arms and your shoulders feel what you have, what you should be doing, okay? So let's do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You need to feel the side of your torso, okay? So this is one exercise. You need to start side to side, just like this, and then you move to the 1, 2, 3 tempo of salsa, okay? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, okay? Next exercise. Your torso, again, relax, and now we're gonna go front and back, okay? So front, back. Imagine that your chest are gonna open, and now you go in like a spoon. You're like a spoon here, and then you change the side and you go in, out, in, chest out, chest in, chest out, chest in. Don't go with your shoulders like this. This is you cheating. No. It has to be the torso. Your shoulders stays like that, in the same place, in the same spot. Okay, same thing, you just try to move so you can have more and gain more mobility in the torso, okay? Third exercise. Again, to gain mobility here, now we're gonna do back, side, front, side, back, side, front, side. Just like this. Okay? Try it as many times as you want. Do it with me. Don't just look. I can watch you staying in the couch. No. Come on, stand up and do it with me. Other side. Back, side, front, side. And if you are on the bed and you think I'm not watching you, I'm watching you. So stand up too and go do the exercise with me. Okay, side to side. Now, same thing, but we're gonna do it like a one single movement and constant movement, okay? Not just 4 steps. We're gonna do the same thing. Try to touch every step, every side of the room, okay? Your hands, if you don't know what to do with your hands, just grab yourself here or here so you can stop thinking about the hands, okay? Or the arms. Other side. All the way, all the way. Relax and go. If you do these exercises repeatedly, I will assure you that you will improve your movement, okay? Okay, next. What do we also move when we are dancing salsa? The hips. Sometimes the hips are blocked, right? So we need to release them. First thing we're gonna do is, again, go to the front of your weight. Don't come back to your heels. You're here, you bend your knees, you relax your knees, and your butt is not going to the front. Sometimes we are standing up like this. Now, relax your hip. And now, like this, we're gonna go side to side. Now, what am I doing? I'm not moving just like this. My torso stays here, and we're gonna kind of going and maybe a little bit pushing with our legs to the side, side to side, side to side, and relax here so you can move, okay? Look, 1, 2, 1, 2. If you want to, you can also do the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, so you can feel, or you can go with the music, okay? But this is important that you go side to side so you can feel the movement and your hips going to the side and changing, okay? Now, next thing, just to release a little bit more the hips, we're gonna go back and forward. And this is not with your legs. Even less changing the weight. Try to not do this, okay? We're gonna go here, just here. We're gonna go just here, okay? The hip, front and back. Don't go too much to the front, just to the back. Relax. Back, front, a little bit. Okay, ba, 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 ba. Okay, ready? Next exercise. The arms, how we're gonna move the arms. We're gonna go like if we were maybe walking or running would be the best idea. Like we don't run like this, we don't run like this, we don't run like this, right? We don't do this. And if you do, please change it. So, how are we gonna change it? We have to go to the opposite side. So first we're gonna move the arms, okay, by themselves, like if you were running here. Now, change the weight so you can feel like a opposition between your arm and your knees, okay, or your knee, the opposite knee, okay. So opposite knee, bam, 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 bam. The way or the side that your arms are moving is the same way you're changing the weight, okay? And your hip are gonna go to the other side. Bam, 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 bam. Remember it's side, not up. We don't wanna do this. Side to side, side to side. And this is why I told you to put your arms in your ribs. Remember? Same way, we're just going a little bit more. Okay? Now, we're gonna add this to the legs. So, again, opposite leg. This is what you need to feel. Okay? You're in the opposite leg with opposite arm here. You need to feel this. Okay? So you need to change your weight here. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, now look. Every time we open and we change the weight, you see, I'm changing the weight here, and I'm going to the other side with my arms, and it's opposite here. Okay, so look, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Step here so you can feel that you're changing. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Now let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Remember, dance is not about making turns and repeat movements or steps. It's about feel the music and to have the energy. So, add this flavor, you're gonna have more groove when you dance. Don't forget to subscribe, to give me a comment, and to give me a thumbs up. See you in the next video.